In this video, I'm going to explain how to subtract two-digit numbers with partial sums in a different way than my previous video. This way of doing it, my students like to call expanded form equations. So my first example is when you do not need to decompose a 10 or there is no regrouping. So we take 85 minus 42 and we write it in the vertical equation. And then off to the side, we take our numbers and we put them in expanded form. So 85 turns into 80 plus 5. 42, the expanded form is 40 plus 2. So now when I go down, I'm still subtracting, but I'm subtracting showing the knowledge of what those place values are. So 5 minus 2 is 3. 80 minus 40 is 40. So what I have left, the difference, is 43. It is important for students to be able to explain that it's not just 8 minus 4, it's 80 minus 40. It's 8 tens minus 4 tens. A lot of students, when they learn how to do the standard algorithm, like a lot of you have learned, they don't understand what they're doing, and so doing the expanded form off to the side will help them understand what those digits represent. In this next example, you will need to decompose a 10. So let's see, we have 85 minus 47, so we will stack those just like we did in the first example. And then off to the side, we are going to put the expanded form equation. So 85 expanded form is 80 plus 5. 47's expanded form is 40 plus 7. A big mistake a lot of students will make is they'll see 5 and 7 and they'll think 2 because 7 minus 5 is 2. But that is not what this is. The 5 is what we're looking at first, and so 5 minus 7, in second grade, we do not do negative numbers, so in second grade, we say that is not possible to do, so we need to decompose a 10, or some of you may know that as regrouping. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 10 away from 80 and turn it into 70. We're going to take that 10 and add it to the 5 so that I now have 15 instead of just 5. All I've done to the 80 plus 5 is I have changed the form of the number to make it work better for me. 70 plus 15 is an equal value to 80 plus 5. And we just kind of cross that out so we don't accidentally use it. So now we have 15 minus 7, and we can do that. So now we can think to ourselves, what is 15 minus 7? And we know that that is 8. And then I can take 70 minus 40 is 30. So what I have after I subtract 47 is 38. So the difference is 38. This way of showing decomposing a 10 or regrouping shows a stronger understanding than saying, oh, I'm borrowing from a neighbor and I'm bringing a 1 over. The students are then able to explain better why we have 15 in the ones place, and where it came from.